How to translate in iPhone notes. Open your notes apps. Open your notes app. For example, I want to write I love you and want to translate this English to another language. Select your area, then press on this icon, then scroll down, then here you can see the translate option. Select translate. Now select your language which you want to translate. For English I want to transfer in Arabia. Then here you can see the download language. If you already download, then okay, and if you don't download option, then press on download, then you can see it's translated. You can listen, or if you want to copy it, then press on copy translate. Now paste it here. That's it. This is how you can easily translate. Thank you. Have a good day.